What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com. About to show you another video. I've made so many videos on this site. This is really one of my favorite survey sites, and it's one of my favorites because you will never get disqualified for a survey. I don't care what anybody tells you, you will never get disqualified. If there's a survey available for it, you will be able to complete it, and you will get paid for it. I'm going to do a survey here. I'm actually going to do two. Just to show you how easy it is and just making money with this site. And the surveys are never long, so I'm just going to show you. So I'm going to click on this survey available for me right here, and I'm just going to complete this survey. I'm going to go through it, and then when I'm done, I'm just going to show you that, that I got paid and just how quickly it went in doing the survey. So I'm not going to talk through the survey, so let me get this done with this survey real quick. All right, so I'm done with the survey. You see here, I got 26 cents for doing that. That survey might have took me what 3 minutes to do, and now I have another survey available for you. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did with this survey, just kind of go through it, just show you how easy it is to make money on this site. Every survey is at least 10 cents. You know what I'm saying? Most of the time when you doing more and more surveys, you're gonna get surveys that pay more, obviously. But like I said, for the last one, I got 26 cents. So I'm gonna do the next one again, same thing, just going through easy surveys. So let me get done with this survey as well. All right, I'm done with another survey. I got 70 cents for doing that one. That one was, again, less than 5 minutes. Didn't take long at all. And you see here, I have another survey available for me. So I'm continuing to get surveys. I'm continuing, just make money with this site. But for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do it. I just want to show you 2 surveys, how easy it is, how fast you can answer the questions. I mean, it's just that simple. The key to it is getting your trait score up to 10,000, which I'm going to show you at the end how to do that. But first, I'm going to cash out. So I'm going to go to my earnings here. You need at least $15 to cash out. Okay, $15 is not hard to get when you're just doing surveys just like I did. I made almost $1 in less than 8 minutes. So here's the options you have: PayPal, Amazon, Walmart gift card, eBay, CVS, Target gift card options you can choose from. I'm going to choose PayPal. So I'm going to cash out now via PayPal, and my information is already in there, so I don't have to worry about putting it in every time. So my balance went down to 0. I will leave proof at the end of this video that I did get paid for them. I'll show you my PayPal proof and all that kind of good stuff. But I just want to show you how easy it is, really, to make money with this site. If you're one of those people who struggle with surveys, which I know there are a lot of people out there like that, this is the #1 site that you want to use because you will never get disqualified. The trait score thing that I mentioned earlier, you see there I have 10,000 trait score. That's the highest you can get. I believe when you start out, when you first sign up, you'll have a trait score of maybe 1,000. I believe it might be a little higher. It might be 1,000, whatever. But every survey that you complete, your trait score will go up. And the key to make your trait score up is really just answer the questions honestly. You'll have to fill out your demographics when it comes to this site. And when you're answering questions on the surveys, just make sure your answers line up with the demographics, because if they don't line up, your trait score won't go up, and then you won't get the opportunity to get as many surveys as I get. You know what I'm saying? So right there, I did 2. I got another one available for me. So, I mean, it's just an endless amount. When your trait score is up at 10,000, you can cash out literally $15 every single week like I am. So I just want to show you guys that. The link to the site will be in the description. Feel free to sign up. It is completely free. No money out of your pocket, all that good stuff. If you're interested in making even more money, visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you're interested in knowing how to make $150 every single day, I encourage you guys to book a one-on-one session with me where I can show you all the steps you need to do in order to make $150 every single day. It is very simple. It is very easy. I will teach it to you. All you have to do is book a session. I will leave the link to book a session in the description as well, so you don't have to make any pennies anymore. You can start making some real money. So book that session, start changing your financial future. All right, so again, sign up for this site. The link to it is in the description, and always remember, every penny counts.